Hi, I'm Tony Fleming, and this is Fleming's Ultimate Garage. Hey everybody, thanks for joining us on today's video. You know, we do a lot of videos on cars and bikes and things like that, but rarely do I have one of these actually at my house. I own this very similar bike as well, the boxer motor on this 1150 RT. This is a fabulous bike. I know they say, well, God, you're a used car salesman. Of course you're going to say this is a fabulous bike. Yes, you're right. But I happen to know the owner of this bike very well. We've been friends for a long time. He bought this brand new. He no longer rides and decided to trade it in and get a couple, one car. He had a couple cars in this and whatever and traded in. It comes with so much great stuff. The mileage is amazing. The ownership history, how well he took care of it, all of that stuff. I'm telling you, man, in the world of used bikes, this bike here is spot on. You can look around and just see how really nice this was taken care of. Like the rims are almost perfect in there, and the calipers are clean, and the sensors are there, and it just loaded up. So originally this bike was like $16,000 plus options back in the 04. We're doing this video in 2018, man. This was 14 years ago, right? 14 years ago. Now these bikes are approaching the $30,000 mark. So that's why these are such a great buy. Not to mention they're becoming classic now, which is super cool that an RT would become that. So when you say, well, it's an 04 bike, does it have a lot of the modern conveniences and things like that? And you say, yeah, it has things like for me, I like winter riding as well. And so it has an electric windshield. This comes in the boxes over here. We're going to show you that. It comes with 2 helmets. It comes with a rain suit and a riding suit, and comes with all these bags. And the cool thing about having these bags, whoops, scared the shit out of me. Sorry, scared the heck out of me. Is that you can take it off and transform the bike into just a cool sport bike as well. This doesn't have to stay there. So imagine what this bike looks like now, just wheeling around just like a sport bike. It's awesome. But if you want to take somebody, this is the bike you take on a long trip. This is what it's designed to do. It's designed to knock down a few hundred miles a day, 500 miles a day, whatever, you know, this can take of you, and it keeps on rolling, man, and that's what's great. So let's take a walk around, we'll look at some of the details, and then we'll fire it up for you so you can hear it. Colin has mentioned that we should keep the videos consistent, so I think we should look under the hood. So we're going to look under the hood. Actually, this is really cool. Check this out, man. Kind of almost, it's got a nice big gasket here, so it's a waterproof container. These are designed to be ridden in the rain if you wanted to. They're designed to be long travelers. But what I wanted to talk about really mostly was it's got an upgraded exhaust. Look how clean everything is. It's got for heated gear, right? For heated gears plugging in there. You want, we can also send the seat out and have it become a heated seat. And the last thing you need is yourself, because you got heated gear, you got the windscreen, you got coverage, you got the panniers, the bags. Fresh set of Metzlers all the way around, detailed and ready to hit the road. So the last couple of things we wanted to talk about, I know it doesn't seem like a really long video, and if you know these bikes, you know the details that come in with. I didn't want to go over everything, including like the Telelever front suspension and the anti-lock brakes and the bags and what have you, but come up here for a second. We're talking about 11,984 miles on this bike. That's less than 1,000 miles a year. Garage kept, taken care of, serviced, detailed, and the extras that it comes with, if we could just take a quick peek at that for a second, comes with the panniers, the side bags, right? Comes in there. And here is extra key, books, bike cover, backpack, riding suits. All of this stuff comes with it, and you're ready to roll. So imagine if you were buying this bike brand new today, adding all of this stuff on it, you'd be approaching the $30,000 mark, and that's why it's such a great bike. All right, so we start everything up for you. I forgot to mention a couple of small things. I'm sure you know this stuff. I like to point it out. The shaft drives, nice and smooth, silent, you know, not a lot of maintenance. It's got heated grips as well. It's like, you know, obviously we're not using them today, but in the wintertime, man, if you've never ridden without heated grips, they're the nicest thing out there. All right, let me fire it up for you.